There are several ways to increase your credit score. 1. Make payments on time. Payment history is the most significant factor in determining your credit score. Late payments can significantly hurt your score, so always try to make payments on time. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you're using compared to the amount available to you. Keeping your credit utilization below 30% is ideal. 3. Increase your credit limit. If you have a good payment history, you can ask your credit card issuer to increase your credit limit. This will increase your credit availability, which can help lower your credit utilization ratio. 4. Don't close old credit accounts. Length of credit history is another factor that affects your credit score. Closing old accounts can hurt your score, so keep them open. 5. Check your credit report for errors. Mistakes on your credit report can negatively impact your score. Check your credit report regularly to